Um, I have these UI in here, and what I can do is I can create a new repository by clicking on this plus button over here. It might be different than any other Git clients that is available. So we will create a new repository in here, and within the new repository, I have like the owner and the repository name. So I'm going to be using the same name as I have using 03 2023. I think I shouldn't be able to. Okay, then I have done something wrong. SC, so I won't be able to create this one because it's already exists. So I'm going to create a repository that is for 2024. Okay, so this is going to be the name of the repository. So if you want to clone this, or if you want to do something, that's going to be the repository that you will be using. Okay, so this is the repository name, and I will make it public. So that means any of you can clone it, do push notification, and do all those things. So initialize with readme. No, I'll just skip these things. I'll just have a name, and I won't have any repository template or anything, and just create this repository. That's it. So as soon as I create the repository, then it's gonna give me some instructions. So if you guys can remember, we have already done these things: git init, git add, git commit. Okay, the branch one is we did not do. Okay, since we are already in the main branch. But the next thing that I need to do is I need to make the connection, the Git repository that I have created with this repository that I have in here. Okay, so I have this command which will say, okay, the existing Git repository will be having a remote location. Okay, so Git remote will say, okay, we have a remote location, and I will add it is as the origin for this this location. Okay, simply we'll just execute this. We will see these things in more detail right now. What I'm gonna say is we will add this the existing code that we have within our local machine will be linked to this Git location, which is this repository. Okay, so I'll be executing this one I'll copy this, and within my terminal I will execute this one. Okay, so now I have my local repository linked or added an external origin within this Git repository. Okay, so next thing that I need to do is I need to create a branch. We'll see branching in a little bit later, but for now I'll just have this as it goes. So I'll be using git branch command. Okay, we will see this git command in further details, but right now we will just execute it. And the next command is git push. Okay, this is one of the important commands where you can push your changes to the location or to the branch that we have selected. Okay, so git push -u origin main. Okay, this is going to be like first time. And if I have write permission to push, I won't be having any troubles. Right now, yes, I have the authority and everything. So I was able to push those things into my main branch. So if I go in here and refresh this page once again, now you guys can see the index HTML that I have created with the initial commit message is appearing in here. Okay, the source code that I have used that I want to share is available in this GitHub repository. Okay, so basically what we did was initialize a Git. We add few files. We did a commit. We set a remote origin. We created the branch. We used the push command. Okay, we'll see these things in much more details on upcoming lectures. For now, I want you guys to play around these things, have a look around what we have done and do on your own. Create a GitHub repository and simply push your code, and let's discuss the other upcoming things later on. Just for now, remember these Git commands. Okay, we will see those things in more action. Okay, any questions up until this, guys? You have any questions what we done so far? Anything? So make sure you guys install Git in your Windows and you will be good to go. And while you're installing or while you're doing, if you have any questions, just ask me in the WhatsApp group, okay? Anything that I should answer? No? Okay. Let me stop sharing and stop recording.